Turn off those lights, you little asshole!
Oh, what a special Friday. What a special Friday this is. Because we're dealing with something classic and juicy and minty and delicious. You know these guys. You've heard these guys. You love these guys. I know I do. We're going to be doing some complete teardowns in these guys and a little bit of restoration work. The bottom one is my my personal MP-1 that I used as a loaner unit for other MP-1 repairs I was doing around the country. I just got it back in, and she's going to stay here for the rest of her days. And the JMP-1 here is something that I used to own, but it now belongs to another fellow. And we're going to be doing some repair work because she's had a little bit of a rough use on the road. She needs some restorative treatment. So we'll give you guys a look under the hood soon. Bye-bye.
Oh my God. Trap like